Yeah, we gotta brace it, and then we gotta dig a trench, and then we gotta pour concrete in the trench, and then we gotta bring block.
Yay.
Sounds like fun, don't it?
No.
So yeah, our objective for today is to rip off all this rotten wood and figure out how to safely reframe the plate or whatever the fuck's under here and brace it. Sound awesome?
No. I don't know what your definition of awesome is.
It may require trips to, Menards or something, hardware store, who the fuck knows what's under here.
You have different definitions of awesome.
I just know it's not going to be good. And tomorrow, we'll probably be digging the trench for my birthday. So try to keep that in mind if you wonder why I'm pissed off tomorrow.
Dude, check this out. There's a big tank here.
He said there was some kind of tank. It's probably an old fuel oil tank or some crazy shit like that. Hopefully it ain't the septic tank. You said it stinks.
It stinks. Yeah, it does.
Maybe I'd be careful over there. You know what I mean?
This job stinks.
Hey man, if you get sprayed with human shit, at least it'll be on camera.
Oh, great.
It does make you wonder what the hell this deck really is supported to.
It's gonna fall on me.
It does appear to be at least nailed on what there is left of the studs. Whatever that is.
Is this stuff put it upside down? It is put it upside down.
What stuff?
The siding. They got it lapped to where it laps backwards, where the water would just go right behind it.
I guess. I'm not particularly worried about it at the moment. They probably just used it to burst something out, for the most part. Oh. Dude, whatever's going on here is not good. It's not cool at all. What in the fuck did these jackasses do?
Oh, this has nailed anything.
Good. One fucking almost.
Whoa.
This is a brace. That's what's holding up their kitchen for the most part.
Whoa. Go up there. I want you guys to not be in the kitchen.
Stop cleaning the kitchen. No, I don't know if it's quite that bad. Dude, there's nothing holding this fucking side of the house up.
Just the concrete stops right there. I know, I've seen that already.
You even got concrete on that side?
Oh
No.
no. No, I got a tank.
Stinky tank. That makes you feel good about what you're working on. I'm tossing some of this wood out. Steve, watch yourself a second. I can't work like pig heading all crammed on top of my garbage. I really hope that's not a septic tank. I doubt it, but who knows with some of the fucking hillbilly shit. You just hit yourself? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright, just lay there and take 5. You're not taking a nap or bleeding out over there, right?
No.
Okay.
Oh crap, I seen a bunch of colors. Oh. No, I went to pry on it and it came loose all of a sudden and I jerked up on my head.
I'm not gonna even say shit, man. I'm wanting to have a day free of that, and I'll jinx it.
That
If I make fun of you.
Oh, that one hurt. See colors. I'm on the spectrum.
You know, people take drugs for that and pay money for those drugs. You got it for free.
Oh, great.
That'll be $50.
Yeah, concussion, you better like that. Some people pay for that. The framing's coming with the board.
Then pull more of the nails, please.
No, the framing's not attached to anything. Look.
Okay, stop banging on that. I don't wonder what the hell we're doing now. Hey, are you trying to knock the house down?
Thanks, guys. Come out.
I'm not sure what it is. It sounds empty. At least I'll give it that. Dude, that might be a leach tank for their fucking sink or something. I have no idea what these fucking jackass hillbillies that do work like this did. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I see some brick back there, ways. Old chimney or something. What the fuck? They just like filled this shit with fucking their leftover mortar or something. Ow. Don't do that, Steve. Remember. I think it is an oil fuel tank. It's got a valve on the bottom. Usually shit tanks or, you know, leach tanks do not. Well, no shit, Steve.
Why would you need it? Just put some fake 2x4s to nail your siding to.
Dude, be careful. Don't be in rough with that shit.
It wasn't even attached to anything.
There is a brick wall there.
What the fuck?
They are bearing on brick there. They extended it out this way. And it didn't support it. That is good though that there is a bearing wall about 2 feet, 3 feet away. And here and there. This actually will be easier than I thought. The hardest part's gonna be repairing this fucking beam so that we can safely get under here and dig.
Somehow take this stupid tank out of here. It's right where we need to put our...
When we dig, start digging our trench, we're gonna have to fucking
Dig under
manhandle this bitch out of here. Yeah, we're gonna have to dig a little bit of our trench. And that bitch is heavy. I don't even know, I'm gonna have to like fucking bring a come along maybe even to get that out of there. One of them beams back there. And even then, I don't know how awesome I feel about that.
I don't know how awesome I feel about this deck right now. It's attached to nothing really. Wow. That is crazy. It's like they turned part of the house, or part of the deck into the house, and then added a deck to that.
I think we should do is cut all this off smooth, right? Oh. Dude, I told you, I'm probably gonna need to come along. Don't even worry about that right now. We need to get everything off this beam clean and see what we got, and then we gotta build this beam back with treated. I think that we should put one on the side and then a treated plate underneath also, and then put our black up to that.
Okay.
Right under this deck plate. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put one, maybe even two. I don't know, we'll see when we get it. Two probably wouldn't hurt. Who cares even if the siding don't line up? It's under the fucking deck. We could do something different here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What's important is that their kitchen is not supported like this.
Oh, that's an old stair for their old deck.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This was like some kind of breezeway or fucking a roofed in porch. And they just rolled with it when they built the kitchen.
Nobody checked. It's all good.
It's existing. Alright, so cut this shit clean. We'll get all this off and expose the beam. And figure out what we need him to get. Probably take lunch early. Because what the fuck are we gonna do until we got a support beam? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ooh, no.
Yeah.
We need to cut it.
Might be all just chisel, a lot of it. Might have cut a little. But I guess you're right, a lot of it isn't gonna need much of a tool.
Nope, it saws out itself.
Yeah, we're gonna underpin our shit under the deck. You follow what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put a plate across the bottom and treat it as far as we can, all the way out to that. And then we're gonna underpin that with black. Don't worry about saving none of that garbage.
What are you talking about? It's nice and rotten.
Careful, I'll pry the deck off the house. Ah! Right.
If you do, just make sure you're standing in between two of the beams.
Yeah, let me go grab a tape. Yeah. This electric, we gotta find out what this is for. That's gotta
Yeah. Let's not go with Paul's idea. Just cut it and see if it sparks. That's what he said earlier.
I'm talking about this rotten dry wood wouldn't burn.
Huh?
This rotten dry wood wouldn't burn.
Whoa. Sorry, Paul.
No, not being wood. I'll throw it out again before I on my head. this is. Even that's not going to be 100%. We're going to have to fudge it to make it level on the bottom. You know what? We could make 2x8s work. You just have to bring the plate down. You think one set of 2x8s would hold this? Should, right? And then we're gonna fucking put a plate underneath too.
Yeah, true.
And support it with blat.
There ain't no plate over here. It's just fucking free flow.
Yeah, it's just. Hey Paul, we figured out what you got over here.
Find a cat?
No.
Find a black kid?
No children. No Jimmy Hoffa. You got this fucking tank. This used to be stairs, and this was probably like a little porch or something. You got a brick wall that's about 3 feet back, so there is some load bearing, but this whole last 3 feet has nothing.
Holy shit.
Here, Steve, give me a measurement for these 2x8s we're gonna need.
All the way back to the brick, right?
All the way back, I'm thinking till almost that dryer vent. At least a little past the brick, I would go. You know what I mean?
We'll go to the edge of the deck.
Yeah, we can always shorten it. It's hard to stretch it. We need 16s. 3 16s treated. 2x8.
Oh, okay.
What a fucking mess, Steve. This is.
So beat it.
Oh, we need for real screws too.
Yeah.
Like new business ledger locks or something.
I don't even get what the fuck it is.
Ow!
Stop hitting your head. Space all the time lately.